Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Juan with Vinyl Nation. Welcome to our very first video. And if you want to know what we're going to do on our very first video, stay tuned, and right after the intro, I will tell you what we're going to be doing. So once again, this is Vinyl Nation, a very first video of Vinyl Nation. My name is Juan. Please subscribe and ding the bell so you're notified when we upload new videos, or more videos, or the second video, right? Because this is the first video. So this is what we're gonna do for our first video. We're gonna be unboxing a silhouette. So I'm kind of excited to start this channel. This channel is going to be about, giveaways, about teaching you how to use your silhouette, teaching you how to use a Cricut. Though we don't have the Cricut right now. We're going to focus on the silhouette right now. So we're going to be doing an unboxing, and the cool thing about this unboxing is this very silhouette right here that you see right here will be given away right before Christmas. So that's why you need to subscribe to Vinyl Nation, and just ding the bell. That way you're notified when when I upload new videos. If you have any questions about anything about, what type of vinyl should I use, or how to, anything, that you have any questions about related to vinyl, this is a channel for that. So let me put this camera down so we can do an unboxing of this silhouette. And just so you know, I don't even know how to use this thing. So not only I'm going to be doing an unboxing, I'm also going to learn how to use this, and I'm going to be learning with you guys. So let me point the camera down so you can see it. Okay, so like I was saying, I honestly don't know how to use this. This is going to be my first silhouette. I actually use a plotter. But here's a receipt, where I bought it. So let's open this thing. Let's find out what's inside. A lot of you are probably gonna be like, yeah, we already know what's inside. So some paperwork. I guess here's the cables and stuff. Power cord. USB looks like. Yeah. USB, and it looks like the blade holder and something else in there. Might be a knife. Actually, this is an unboxing, right? So we should open it and see what's inside. So yeah, so you got your USB cable. Is that a blade holder? It looks like might be a blade holder. And yeah, it looks like a knife. Power cord, mat. I get it. I guess this is a cutting mat. Again, I'm used to using a plotter. So plotters don't use cutting mats; they use cutting strips. And let's take this out. See what it looks like. Move the box out of the way. So me, I'm not really crazy about the color of the machine, right? So I was like, I don't care, white, blue, black, whatever. I don't care, they're all gonna operate the same way. So, because some of you might be like, you should have gotten the black, you should have gotten whatever color. Me, honestly, I don't care about the color. So if you guys already have a Cameo 3, you can leave a post or a comment on the below. And everybody likes taking this little blue tape. That's kind of cool. I mean, it's got this little tray so you can put your tools in there. Surprisingly, they don't give you any weeding tools like a pig tool or something like that. That's funny. I would have think, you know, if they would have thrown a pig tool or something in there, but I guess that's cool. I mean, it's not like I already have all the stuff, so you know. So there you go. That was the unboxing. I guess I can put this stuff in there. No idea what that's for. So I'm pretty sure some of you are going to be watching. You're going to be like, he doesn't even know what he's doing. And you're 100% right. I don't know what I'm doing. There you go. See, I did that correctly, I think. So it does have a cutting strip. Okay. So there you go, guys. That was the unboxing. Obviously, that's all I'm gonna do. On the next video, I will plug it in, download the software, and do some test prints. If you're asking, how did you get your shirt already made if this thing was just barely unboxed? I have a plotter, so I already cut the design, so that's why I'm wearing a shirt with my logo on it. So again, make sure you subscribe and ding the bell, because right before Christmas, one of you is gonna be getting this for free. So we're gonna be doing a giveaway right before Christmas, and you'll get this for free, or right before Christmas. So if you like this channel, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. This channel, listen to me. So if you like this video, guys, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you have any pointers for me, you know, like what to look for, you know, put it in the comments below. Again, if you liked it, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching this video. This is our very first video, and keep watching, guys. Ding the bell, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of giveaways like vinyl and designs and stuff like that. So I'm gonna create some designs, and if you guys like them, get those designs for free. So again, guys, thank you for watching. It was a pleasure making this first video. I know it was just getting this little thing out of the box, but it's a video. So if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you for watching, guys. It was a pleasure.